All information in this video is deemed accurate but is not warranted by the seller, the realtor, the real estate company, or the spokesperson. Buyer is responsible for completing all tasks related to due diligence. Inspections, appraisals, and surveys are recommended.
Someone once said it's really easy to make friends if you have just a few things: a barbecue pit, good beer, and a boat. Well, the property I'm going to show you today has a barbecue pit, a place to store your boat, but you'll have to bring your own beer. Hi, I'm Lakelin Lemmings with Agent Cody of Seven Lakes Realty, here to show you the property today on the back channel of the Tennessee River. It comes with not only one, but 2 mobile homes and 3 lots of land, all being sold together, of course. As you can see, the first mobile home is on stilts. The second one still needs to be remodeled and finished putting on stilts, but the owner is willing to negotiate, finishing it up for the right price. As you can see, there's room to park your RV under this mobile home, and here are the water and electric hookups for the RV. This property has 2 boat docks, and while the upstairs has a staircase, the back has a handicap access. As you walk through the front door, you'll have a bedroom and bathroom to your left and the kitchen to your right. This home has a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it comes with all the appliances in the kitchen. Attached to the master bedroom is a master bath that features a whirlpool tub. This home faces east-west, so if you like watching the sunrise and the sunset, this home has the deck and the peaceful neighborhood to do just that. Agent Cody also has a piece of land listed between Saltillo and Savannah, Tennessee. The piece of land is listed at $50,000 and is across the street from the Tennessee River. It's a little over 2 acres. This home is listed at $220,000, 2 mobile homes, RV hookups, 2 boat docks, and 3 lots of land. The owner is willing to act as a bank and finance this property for 20% down, 8% interest on a 15-year term. If you or someone you know is interested in this home, contact Agent Cody at 731-798-8505 or email agentmilholland@gmail.com.
If Jesus didn't change him, why did I think I could? Guess you can't turn burn.